The wind is carrying me away. I am Lula, a red scarf, and today I fly for the very first time. Hello, I am Lula. I am a wool scarf, soft and very red. I live with Lucía, a little girl with braids. Every winter morning, she puts me around her neck to go to school. I am her favorite scarf, and she loves me very much. Today, it is very windy. Lucía runs through the park among the dry leaves. Suddenly, a gust of wind blows very hard, and I, her red scarf, fly off into the air. I try to hold on to her coat, but the wind is too strong. Lucía, I want to shout, but I am already very high up. The wind carries me far away, above the trees. I see the park getting smaller and smaller. Where's the wind taking me? I had never flown before. It is strange and a little scary. I go up and down, I spin around in the air. The leaves fly beside me like colorful little birds. Down below, I see Lucía's town. I see the red rooftops and the little streets. I see the river and the stone bridge. Everything looks beautiful from the sky. But I only want to go back to Lucía. Where am I going to land? I think. Who is going to find me? The wind does not answer. It just blows and carries me farther and farther away. The wind leaves me on the branch of a tree. There I see a little blue bird shivering with cold. The poor thing has no warm nest. The little bird is very small and all alone. His feathers are wet from yesterday's rain. He shivers and shivers because it is very cold. Tweet, tweet, he says, very sadly. The poor thing needs help, and he needs it soon. I do not want the little bird to be cold. A scarf knows how to give warmth. That is what I was made for. So I move closer slowly and hug him with my red wool. I wrap him up carefully, from his head to his little feet. Don't worry, I will help you, I say. The little bird stays warm and cozy inside me. Little by little, he stops shivering. His feathers dry with my warmth. Thank you, scarf, he says happily. Now I am not cold anymore. I feel very happy to help. I am not around Lucía's neck, but I am doing something good. Maybe that is why the wind brought me here. Maybe flying is also good for helping. The little bird wants to thank me. I know your girl, he says. I have seen Lucía in the park. If you want, I will help you get back to her. I become very happy. Flying far from home does not feel so sad anymore. But then the wind comes again. It blows hard and lifts me off the branch. Wait, shouts the little bird. I fly off into the sky once more. Where's the wind taking me now? The wind carries me over the park. Down below, I see a boy who is crying. His kite is broken and it can no longer fly. The boy is called Tom and he is very sad. His paper kite broke in the wind. Now the kite does not fly, it only falls to the ground. Tom looks at it and his tears fall. Without his kite, the park feels very boring to him. I land right next to Tom on the grass. A scarf, says Tom, surprised. He picks me up with both hands. You're soft and very red, he says. Where do you come from? Tom has an idea. He ties my end to the broken kite like a long red tail. Maybe now it will fly, he says with a smile. I do not know how to fly kites, but I want to help. So I let him tie me to it very gladly. Tom runs through the park with the kite. The wind blows, and the kite goes up slowly. Up and up it goes. My red tail flies behind, long and pretty. Fly, fly, shouts Tom happily. The kite flies very high above the trees. I fly with it, moving with the wind. From up here, I see the whole town again. Helping Tom makes me feel very good, but the wind blows harder. The string slips out of Tom's hands. Oh no, he shouts. And once again I go up and up, all alone into the blue sky. Where's the wind taking me? I fly very high, higher than ever. From the sky I look for Lucía in all the streets. But the town is very big and I cannot find her. I am tired of flying. I spin around and around in the air. I look down, searching for Lucía's braids. Where are you? I say softly. I want to go back home with you. The sky is very big when you are alone. Then I hear a tweet tweeted beside me. It is the little blue bird, the one I helped before. He has flown all the way to me. I found you, he says. Follow me, I know where your girl is. I am so happy to see my friend with the blue feathers. The little bird flies ahead of me. I follow him with the wind, over the red rooftops. We pass over the river and the stone bridge. This way. We are almost there, says the little bird. Down below, in a street, I see a little yellow spot. It is Lucia's coat. She walks slowly, looking at the ground, very sad. She is looking for her red scarf everywhere. Lucía, I am here, I want to shout. And the wind, at last, blows toward her. I come down from the sky slowly, like a red leaf. The little bird flies beside me, happy. I am almost there. I land softly right on Lucia's shoulder. She feels my red wool around her neck. She stops. She touches the scarf with both hands. Is it you? She says, unable to believe it. My red scarf, shouts Lucía, very happy. She hugs me very tightly. I had lost you in the wind. Lucía looks at me with shining eyes. I thought I would never find you, she says. You flew with the wind, very far away. How did you come back to me? I cannot talk, but I am very happy. The little blue bird sings on top of a tree. Tweet, tweet, he says, as if to say you're welcome. Lucía looks at the bird and smiles. She does not know that he helped me come back. It is our little secret. Lucía puts me around her neck again. I am warm and in my favorite place. I will not let you go again, she says, laughing. When it is windy, I will tie you on tight. I feel at home. There is no better place than Lucia's neck. On the way home, we pass through the park. There is Tom with his broken kite in his hand. Lucía sees that he is sad and comes closer. Do you want to play tomorrow? She asks. Tom says yes, happily. That night, Lucía leaves me on her chair, next to the window. Outside, the wind keeps blowing through the trees. But I am not afraid of the wind anymore. The wind took me on an adventure and brought me back home. That was my big adventure across the sky. I learned that flying is not scary if you help others along the way. And you, where would you like to fly with the wind?